Hi crystals, welcome back to my channel and I welcome you all, and this is day 5 of my tutorial and we are going to do ear sketching today. Now it's simple but it's a little bit tricky, so you have to be very particular about it, okay? Now I'll tell you some points that you have to be, like you have to keep it focused. Also, I'm really sorry if sometime my video is in like a blur situation, which I tried to fix, but unfortunately I have drawn everything and then I found out that there are places where my sketches became blur, and I'm really sorry for that. So I just can not do anything about it, just can ask forgiveness with you all. And yeah, so here I am going to show you how to make a normal ear. See, I have told you, I have written some things also. Just I'm going to read it out for you. There should not be hard line. It should place correctly in order, and also check on shading part, like the light and the dark part. Okay. Now, why I have written to be very particular about hard lines, because eventually it's not very curve and like kind of thing. Also it's not like straight cutting like thing, like it have angle to it, but it's a smooth line, right? So we can just make a straight line first and then we can curve it later on, and which is very easy and simple to do. But if you'll not do this thing which I'm telling you, and just will start start like doing curves, and you'll think that I can do it without straight line, so you will not get actual ear, okay? As I have told you before that everything have a specific reason to it. This procedure which I am telling you is something you should work on it, and it's very particular thing. I guess it's very important to just make some geometry lines, straight lines, and then curve it down. It give you a specificness for a particular thing whatever you're doing, and I feel it's totally okay to do that. And it also enhances our skills. You can get idea how to do these kind of thing. You can eventually start making many things in the world without asking them out to the teacher or like to any other mentor, okay? Now here I have shown you some examples of ear. I had made some different kinds of ear in different angles, okay? Like some are complete, and the one of some are like not complete, okay? uh, it's just that I have drawn these ears just to show you how can you draw different kinds of ears and what is it like to draw ear. So that is something I'm doing also. Just focus on the process, okay? Process is very easy. Start with basic shapes, okay? Just straight lines, that works the best, and then curve it down. Just make some more detail to it and start shading it. Just also be aware of the shading thing, like where whatever you're doing, like where it should be dark and where it should not be very dark. You have to keep this in mind, because every single time nobody is going to help you, so you have to remind it to yourself only where you are going to do this kind of thing. And it's something you can just do whenever you feel like. If you don't have any reference also, or you're not making something out of anywhere, you can just start doing it with your own imagination, and that works the best. But if you know the proper thing, then only you can do it, right? Now also I'm really sorry. It's something, I was talking with you all since like many videos, like I've talked this topic and I'm again at this topic, and you all might be thinking, yo, she always comes and like ask for forgiveness and always do the same thing, right? But still it's my thing, so I can do that. Eventually I have to be so sorry, because I am sorry, and that is all because I told you that I would make these tutorial lessons for you all in a given period of time, and which I wasn't able to complete. And I agree with you. I was a little bit not in a good state. I was a little bit sick, and then I had some projects of my subject whatever I'm studying, like I am a science student. If I have told you or not, I just don't know if I have told you or not, but there are many things to do and I was so busy with the schedule. I was very busy and my classes were like from morning to evening. I was in my college only, and I just don't get enough time. When I come back home, I just get so tired. So I wasn't able to make these videos for you all, but you know what? I did made some videos. Like this video and another videos are there, but I just don't get enough time to edit also, and that's why I wasn't able to, upload it. So yeah, just bear with me, and I think you would do that because if you're listening me till now, I appreciate it, and I just thank you a lot if you are listening to me, because it means a lot to me, as I am a kind of creator who make things but doesn't expect anything out of you. When you do little things like to listen me, to at least to watch my videos, at least if there are a few number of people also, I get very happy. Because of that, I feel like there are some genuine people who truly wanted to watch my videos and wanted to learn something out of me, and I appreciate that. So I'm really thank you. But I assure you that I'll make much more fun videos for you all in the future, and I assure you this thing also, there is going to be super good videos for you all in coming months. Like, I cannot tell you what I'm going to do. This time I'll upload it directly because I told you before, and then I just don't get to the point. So eventually it is not beneficial for me only. So yeah, that's why I'm going to do that. But I'll tell you later on when I'll do that. Okay, also I'm wanted to tell you that if you are interested in like other kind of things like in art, whatever, like whatever thing you are interested in, just tell me. I am ready to hear you about what you have, questions about. uh, I have come out on certain things. As I also told you, I am just a normal person who is learning art by myself only. I just love art. Until now, whatever I have learned, I am explaining you those things and what I feel is right. So if you're like into like kind of sort of thinking that, oh, what she knows, she doesn't know anything and she's explaining stuff to us, we should not hear her. We should not ever do that. So it's not, I mean, I'm basically learning it by myself, but it's genuine, and I feel you will learn from me and know that for sure. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you